Some people say this is a gift. All I know is when I say burn the witch, I might mean Elizabeth. It's drastic. Yo. Secret societies frequently like to meet, sacrificing meat to the almighty beast. A deity I decree, sequence in symbology speaks to me silently. The sheep are sleeping deep quietly. Big brother TV feed eyes the street as biops play out a Cyclops medieval theme. Vaccines, aspartame, crack cocaine, and PCP. If that doesn't work, it's a zombie apocalypse. CDC. Corrupted governments allow companies to pollute the skies. Fast food is like serving soup with flies. It doesn't mix, their plan is to euthanize. The future dies as fear grows, the youth will rise. The whitest coats diagnose kids psychotics at the highest dose. And all you do is supervise. Reporters used to find the truth despised. What it would do and if it would ruin lives. Now they read from the teleprompter tube inside. Turn off the TV and get more in tune with live. That's nothing new, so to fool your eyes, a group of guys stage attacks and the news just lies. Now the standard of living is reduced. Your siblings are recluse. Society criticizes while sitting in green rooms. Burn the witch, he's a Wiccan with 3 brooms. Citizens call government agencies, bitchin' I need loot, and all they get is a free noose. History holds the mystery to our misery. Sit and read politicians and listen to Hitler's speech to eliminate liberties. They all have the same tyrant vision. Don't take my word for it, study Zionism. Read the book 1984, see how they staged the wars and convince the public to surveillance stores. Fear terrorists, stay clear of therapists. They all work in conjunction to prepare emeritus. It's nothing new, don't trust the news. Watch the sun and moon, disclosure is coming soon. The Mayans tried to warn us all because they knew ancient astronauts would return for a bloody feud. Long-nosed gray aliens abduct humans and mate with them. Draconian reptilians hate the taste of our aged skin. So their geneticists created men to slave for gems. Then they made women to look like female Palladians. Created religion to control our everyday living. But don't take my word for it, read the ancient hymns. Royal bloodlines fund every war. They're all staged within. Now do you see why there's atheists? Satanic followers just pray to steeples. The devil is just another name for evil. The D is for interdimensional. Now that's for my intellectual people.